In this video, I'll show you how to set up Pipedrive. Let's get started. First, sign into your Pipedrive account. If you're a new user, complete the initial setup by entering your company details. Now, go to Deals and create or customize your sales pipeline by clicking the pipeline name at the top, then selecting plus New Pipeline or Edit Pipeline. Next, add the stages of your sales process and set stage probabilities if needed. Then, start adding your contacts, organizations, and deals. After that, click the Settings icon to customize your account. Here, you can invite team members, connect your email and calendar, create custom fields, and configure any integrations you need. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start managing your sales process in Pipedrive. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.